share with you a couple of digital tools that I use to help me to scale my business, and I share it with my mentees. So I want to share it with you today. We got to have the tools in our toolbox to be successful if we want to grow online. And so here's some things, some AI tools that I've been tinkering with and I absolutely fangirl over. So the first one is Lovable.dev. It is a AI tool where you can actually create and design landing pages in minutes. I'm talking about in minutes. And the really beautiful thing that I love most about Lovable is that you can embed videos. So you can take clips from your YouTube or from Loom or wherever you have videos and place it inside of your landing page. Fantastic. It's like game changer. Number two is gamma.app, and you can create very well comprised like client portfolios and proposals, and even you can create even like digital guides inside of Gamma, right? And so if you're someone that's looking to get contracts and clients like in the B2B world, Gamma is a great place for you to create your proposals to give to them, right? And it looks very professional. And all of these tools are free, by the way, until they're not. Okay, you know how that goes. Number three, HeyGen. HeyGen is an AI tool as well that helps you to create your digital twin, your AI twin, and it puts her to motion, puts her to work, it animates her. So you can like just upload a couple of still photos of yourself, get a script together, and HeyGen will create the AI twin for you. It actually helps you to be more productive and not work as hard, but work smarter when you have an AI twin, right? And then, of course, number three is Notions. Notions is a workflow tool that helps you to be more organized. So let's say you're somebody that has like a virtual assistant, or you have other people on your team, or you're collaborating with someone on a project or something like that. This helps you to stay way so super organized. You can communicate with each other. You can drop videos inside of there so you guys can review it and critique, and you can do just about anything. There's a calendar in there. You can have your content calendar as well created. It is actually chef's kiss. So definitely take a look at that. And then I would say the last one I want to mention for content creators is Opus Clips. This is a popular one, but there are some people who don't know. So, hey, I figured I'll mention it. Opus Clip. And this is where you can actually take long form content, upload it into this software, right, into this platform, and it will chop up like at least 7 different mini clips that you can use for your shorts, for your feed on TikTok, IG, FB, all platforms, YouTube, everything. And the beautiful thing about it is that it will rate the video for you. In other words, it will tell you which ones are going to go viral. And it will give you even a number of like how good the video is going to do on the different platforms. It kicks out the work for you. It will add B-roll content on top of it, as well as fonts if you want it to. And again, these are just a couple of these are a couple of AI tools, that I use that are free until it's not. I mean, in the beginning, start off small. Don't spend a whole lot of money because you want to make money. You don't want to spend a whole lot of money. But eventually, I'm telling you, you're going to want to upgrade and pay for all of these. And when I tell you the cost is minimal, I mean, for all of these, it'll be like less than $50. Okay, for all of these together, if you just get the monthly memberships for them. And yeah, I just wanted to hop on here and share these free tools with you. I hope this was helpful. I know it helps me in my business on a daily basis, as well as my mentees. If you want more insight, more tips and tools, you can just save this for later, share it with a friend, or you can just shoot me a message and let me know that you may want some help with your digital business and helping you grow online, because that's what I'm here for. I hope this helps. Talk to you later.